5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ordinarily, this court, while exercising its jurisdiction under Article 136 of the Constitution of India, does not disturb concurrent findings of the fact and, for that matter, reappreciates and reassesses the evidence unless it is of the opinion that the approach of the learned courts below in arriving at such findings has resulted in grave miscarriage of justice. To put it differently, if this court notices that concurrent finding of fact has been recorded by the trial court and the appellate court on the testimony of a witness, ignoring or overlooking other evidence and attending facts and circumstances which have an important bearing on the credibility of such a witness, it becomes the duty of this court to reappraise the evidence and interfere with such finding if the interest of justice so requires. Judged in the above context, the instant case, in our opinion, calls for such interference. Coming first to the FIR that PW1 lodged, we find that therein he not only the names of all the 15 persons who, according to him, committed rioting and the murder, but also the names of their respective fathers. In his testimony, however, PW1 only named and identified 7 of them, including A1 to A4 and A13, as the miscreants. Further, when in his cross-examination PW1 was asked as to whether he knew the names of the fathers of all the accused persons and whether he had given their names in the FIR, he stated that he knew the father's name of half of the accused persons and that he did not remember if he had given the names of the fathers of the accused persons in the report he lodged with the police. From the failure of PW1 to name and identify 8 of the accused persons during trial and his admission in cross-examination that he knew the fathers' names of some of the accused persons, the only reasonable conclusion that can be drawn is that he furnished those names in the FIR at the instance of some other person, and that person can only be the leader of their faction. For PW1 admitted that wrote down the FIR, obviously to rope in members of their rival group to which the accused persons belonged, that a garbled version relating to the murder of Nagulu was furnished to the police through the FIR. इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में इस पैसेज का टेक्स्ट दिया हुआ है.